Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 3 from class CDCS 2513A. Our group consists of 4 members. I want to introduce myself first. My name is Amirul Syahmi bin Mahazir. My teammates' names is Siti Mawar Aini binti Ramli, Nur Alisha Adriana, and Abdul Haziq bin Sudif. We want to present our group project about SIEM using elastic Kibana. The dashboard design was chosen to make it easier to monitor attack, including where the attack occurred, the source of the attack, and the adverse effect caused by the incident.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Abdul Haziq and I will show you how to set up this dashboard. For this event type, we just click create visualization and then we find the event type. We drag it here and then we search the visualization type to pi. As you can see, we can check it here. We also can adjust the number of value to 10 or something. And then here, over here, there are only 7 type of attack type. Now we click 7, 8, 10, and then for the next, now for this map, we can just click add panel and then find the maps visualization. After that, we click add layer and then we find the file, and then here it is, we have the map and its location of attack. You can adjust many things inside this to look like what I show you in my dashboard. That's how we add map. For this numbers of entry, we just click create visualization and then we change the visualization type to matrix, legacy matrix I mean, and then we just drag the record in and then we got that. For this protocol attack, we just click create visualization and we find the source protocol, and we change it to table and then we got it. Click 7, 8, 10. For the other table like attack IP and attack source, I just combine two data into it. We just click create visualization and then we search the destination of the location city and destination IP address. After that, we change it to table and we got it. Click 7, 8, 10. This is the same for the source attack, source IP address, and then for the severity attack, actually the same, and we just change the table to this bar type. Yeah, thank you.
In this dashboard, there are several types of attack being tracked, include DDoS, SQL injection, phishing, ransomware, malware, and brute force. Based on the data in the pie chart, DDoS is the most frequent, with a percentage of 49.78%. SQL injection, phishing, ransomware, malware, and brute force show lower percentage. There are also normal events where no attack occur, which are recorded as the second highest category with 26.92%. In addition, we include the attack source, showing the IP address of attackers detected on the map. This data indicate that attackers have targeted almost every part of the world. The map also shows attacker IP address location in offshore area, suggesting that attackers are attempting to conceal their actual locations. Furthermore, a total of 5,480 data points were recorded in the SIEM dashboard. These figures include both attack-related and non-attack-related data. When attackers successfully target protocol, it results in varying level of attack severity. Here, the data is divided into 3 categories: low, medium, and high. A total of 2,726 records were categorized as low severity, 1,460 as high severity, and 1,294 as medium severity. The dashboard also displays the attack source, which refer to the attacker's IP address. Additionally, it shows the destination of the attack IP address, meaning the IP address that the attacker target. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I will show you the demonstration of detection. For detection, first we find the IP address of destination attack. After we find the IP address of the destination attack, we just copy any type of IP address and then we paste it on VirusTotal website. This VirusTotal website is used to investigate and analyze the IP address to detect whether it is malicious or not. As we can see that the IP address that I copy and paste in this VirusTotal is malicious, which we could then investigate furthermore.
My name is Siti Mawar Aini Ramli. I will talk about true positive. A true positive occurs when a system correctly detects an event or condition that generally exists. Based on SIEM, true positive correctly identify security incidents such as successful intrusion attempts or malware detections. In this case, filter the event type into malware in the same dashboard. After that, copy one of these IP addresses of attack IP and paste it into a third-party website application, which is VirusTotal, for further investigation. Then we can see that the IP address is associated with malicious activities of malware distribution. This means the threat is real and the system has correctly identified it.
My name is Nuralisha Adinam Dumajari. So move on to the next part. I will investigate about the true negative. The true negative happens when there is no event of interest and the system does not falsely detect one, which means there is no malicious activity. So in order to detect this true negative, I will choose the normal event type in this dashboard, and then I will copy one of these IP address of destination IP and paste it into a third-party website application VirusTotal search file. And then we can see that the IP address is clean, which means it has no report of malicious activity. Therefore, it is considered as a true negative.
What is a false positive in SIM? A false positive occurs when a system incorrectly identifies expected activity as malicious. Essentially, it flags something that is not treated as one, leading to unnecessary investigation. How to know that it's false positive? That I want to share. To know that it's false positive, filter the type of event into brute force in the dashboard. Then, copy one of the IP address here and paste it into VirusTotal for future investigation. It is only considered as malicious activity in VirusTotal, but in Kibana, it says that the IP address is having brute force. Thank you.
Now, I will continue for false negative. What is a false negative? False negative occurs when the system fails to recognize an actual threat, flagging it as normal. This leads to the misdetection of a real risk, allowing harmful activities to continue undetected by the system, such as VirusTotal and other websites that used to detect the virus. Here is the example. First, I will click at the malware, and then I will find it attacking the DNS on a severity attack of low. As we can see, I will take the first IP address that show on this type of attack. I will check whether it is detectable by VirusTotal or not. Here, as we can see, even though it is a malware, it shows here that it is clean and it doesn't detect any type of malware.